You know why they call me a slash? Ready for a 10-pointer?
Black rubber hose.
He made it! Wow! Unbelievable! Making it rain in New York.
So today we're installing the carburetor and a new fuel pump, which is already all on the car. We did this the other day, thinking that we were gonna be able to do it real quick, but I needed certain fitting for my fuel line. See this shiny little guy? That's the fuel pump. Got a new fuel pump, and then I got a new carb, a Holley 650, but it's a brawler. It's a fake Holley. This is the new Johnny, and we got a fuel rail for it.
I didn't even notice that.
And I got an electric fan for it. Electric fan fucking cools mint. It is so sweet. Drove downtown, idled like for I think like an hour.
Well, basically the whole time.
We idled for almost like an hour, just sitting still in traffic, and temps were great. It was like just creeping 170.
We drove for like 3 hours that day.
We went to Stanley Park and then we took a picture. We'll do a flash of the picture. It was a sweet picture. And then we found our way back home at like 8:20. So we did a lot of driving, and she did not overheat once. It was great. So like it doesn't look nice, but it fucking works and performs amazing.
And how about that shirt, yo?
Oh yeah, yeah. This is the Maker Screen Plan D shirt.
Thing on a shiny.
Limited edition, only 2. So sorry guys.
Maybe soon, right?
Yeah, sold out way too quick. So maybe next time you guys might be able to catch the shirt. Okay, someone help me guide to the hose clamp.
Where's the
Look at the fuel lines.
That'll be alright, he's on the right side for that. Oh, I see what's down.
I can't go down.
Ooh.
Rubber's hitting the flat. So if I can grip that hose.
Grip it and rip it, bro.
Yeah, grip it and rip it, but it's not letting me fucking grip and rip. What the fuck,
You
Richard?
can't even grip it or rip her. I'll try to grip and rip her now.
Ah, you can't grip and rip with gloves, buddy. You need all the traction you can get. Skin on skin! Skin on skin.
You're trying to pull it
You
off.
really
is what
expect
you're
to
trying
grip and rip yourself with gloves on? Like, you'd never grip and rip yourself with gloves
Man,
on.
no glove. No glove.
I usually don't wear gloves when I love.
That's fucked up. That you go fucking bang Tinder sluts without a glove.
My concerned no fingerprints.
Do you straight, like, do you fucking ghost rubber them?
What?
So you fucking, like, halfway through, you fucking
Oh,
sneakily
be like
rip it
James.
off? Yeah, no. Not like that. Like, you do, like, 2-3 pumps in, you, like, pull out, pretend to, like, fall out, and rip it off, and then stick it back in without her knowing.
No.
You gotta do that, guys.
Ghost rubber.
Yeah, I can't run. Get your little arm.
She's like, oh, you ghosted me. And you're like, oh, I got him.
Got him.
Got him.
Yeah, try to rip that. hose
Okay,
off.
what are we looking at here? Okay, I'm
Black rubber hose there, everybody.
Ah!
I wish it was that easy.
Okay, what the fuck's going on here?
Fucking grip and rip. Not that.
You might as well just take this fence
This
out.
is a slip-on guy to the chassis. This is the fitting that's gonna go off it, and then hose is gonna come out.
Oh my god, the hose is gonna come out.
Fuck, this is a bitch.
You're not kidding.
I remember these being motherfuckers.
Yep.
Cut my hose.
What?
My
The
hose.
open side.
What? Oh.
Nice. Ryobi for the fucking win, my boys.
Oh my god. Take a while for the cummies to get to the end of this one, bro. Like,
Yeah, fucking.
One more 90. What are you gonna do on the other one? Another 45?
yeah, man.
Well, because it's gonna come out anyway, so 45 will actually be good on that end. So this is the fuel hose. So you see, we got the new fitting, the fucking 90-degree bend. She is on there. She's fucking mint. Better than Rand's power steering line. So
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That lasted for a couple events too, so I mean,
Easy now. You fixed it.
it's fixed. Go bust one. Busting a leak and busting a nut, bro. Fuck, I hate this. fucking shit, dude.
Okay, YouTube. As you can see, this is my new fuel line right here. Going into the fuel pump right there. You can really see, oh fuck, I should route it underneath the clutch cable. I'll break it free. I'll reroute it one last time.
Okay, like, so we're gonna fire this beast up and see if she actually pumps.
Got any